All right, hello again and welcome to this weekend market analysis. The last 2 weeks have been quite chaotic, very volatile. In fact, for the last 2 weeks I took I think 3 trades, but then the results is something that I was really comfortable with, and of course the market has been a bit weird, and we had to retreat. But now we are back, and we are hopeful that markets will begin to give us better price action. Well, as you probably know, since the Russia and Ukraine war started, that was when the Forex market got really bad. But anyway, things are getting better, and we hope to see more better price action as once the war is over. Then we will get good price action. But for now, we will keep trading alongside what we see in the market. Now let's see the Forex Factory economical calendar for this week. We have a few high impact news announcements there. Non-farm payroll, we have that on Friday coming up. All right, that's heavyweight unemployment rate. It will be affecting the American dollar pairs. Monday is public holiday, so for Monday we should expect a bit of slow price action. Things may pick up from Tuesday, all right, as economic events will begin to kickstart. All right, so in this review, I just want to show you a few pairs. I begin from the euro against the American dollar. I actually do not want to waste your time. You can clearly see that a rising trend line, all right, that rising trend line has now been broken. For those of us who are price action traders, as you probably know, we'll be waiting for pullback to retest the trend line, maybe at the breakout point, or to retest the trend line right there for us to look for reversal moves to the downside. It is not yet time, all right. There is a lot of price action need to happen for us to decide whether to take the trade or not. But for now, the bias seems to be to the downside with the break of this trend line. Then we have gold. We actually made some monies trading gold. As you can see right now, price is trading around a rising trend line. Okay, rising trend line for gold, and you can see price has been trending to the upside. This trend line has not been broken; it is still intact. It will be a bit risky. It will be quite risky, all right, very risky to go short against that trend line. You will effectively be trading against support. But then we are watching this pair very closely in the monthly time frame. Let's see how this candle, the current candle, is going to close. That is what we are watching. You can see this is a nice level of resistance. In fact, this is a retest for the third time. So let's see how this candle will close by the end of this week. Then we will decide what to trade here. This is of course a good level of resistance, so we will keep an eye there to see if we can look at this bounce right here to see if we can get short opportunities in gold. All right, so that's a nice setup coming up there. Hopefully we will find an entry. Then we have the sterling pounds against the Canadian dollar. As you can see in the weekly time frame, price is actually trading around that level of resistance. All right, it is actually trading below the level of resistance right now, but again the bulls are still attempting to push price to the upside. If you look into the monthly time frame, you will see that that's the level of resistance, all right, which acted as support, acted as resistance right here. Price is still trading around that level. Remember, we got a breakout of that level. Okay, now is this a pullback or a fake breakout? We are still watching. For us, by the end of this week, I think we should have a clearer picture of price direction in the sterling pounds against the Canadian dollar. As you can see in the daily time frame, sorry I didn't pen in, is sterling pounds, GBP, CAD. All right, now as you can see in the daily time frame, this is an area of resistance, and this is of course an area of support. The last candle close is a bounce candle, right? But then with the kind of price action we are seeing in the weekly time frame and monthly time frame, we'll be a bit hesitant. All right, so we'll wait. This is actually supposed to be a value bounce here. We'll wait to see if we get better price action then we'll be ready to look for better moves, all right, for a fall to the downside in the sterling pounds against the Canadian dollar. This is what we are expecting, but then we'll follow price very closely to see if we can find an entry. All right, thanks. I'm wishing you a profitable trading week. Like I said, things are picking up and we are here. We're following up. If we find anything interesting, we will let you know. Have a profitable week. Bye bye.